Can you explain us a little bit how, what do you do?
So Domo Safety is developing a safety system for the elderly population so that they can stay at their own place as much as possible while keeping their autonomy. So basically we install a system with a couple of sensors, and we do a behavior analysis on the health profile and the habits, and we are able to prevent incidents by detecting potential risks on the domestic place.
What do those sensors analyze exactly?
So there is really a couple of behavior we analyze, more than one sensor. And we have, for example, a very simple example. You would have somebody who's very independent and goes out every day for whatever reason. And they know that if they get sick or something, maybe they don't go out for 3 days in a row. And this is where a problem is. And we analyze that, and we say with the person that if this happens, then we will let either the family or the caretaker know that there is a condition taking place, and they should know about this to react accordingly.
What's the novelty of Domo Safety? Because safety solutions already exist.
Yes, so we have a lot of security solutions that I like to distinguish with the safety, but really the difference of Domo Safety is the preventive care that we enable. We're not only reacting in terms of falls when somebody knocked on a panic button, but we have really all this analysis that takes place to prevent. And the idea is really to detect the fragility when it starts happening and not when it's too late. Because you can have a condition taking place for weeks without everybody knowing, because you're not there 24/7 to monitor the person. But then the person also knows that if the fragility is taking place, there are a couple of very easy things that we can detect, and the system takes these easy things and the less easy things to prevent and make this preventive behavior analysis.
Is it an advantage for you to be set up here at the EPFL?
This is clearly an advantage. We have all the links with the laboratories in EPFL, so a lot of very smart people around. We're working with them, and also the ecosystem here is very rich in terms of exchange of ideas and potential models that we can use. So this is really a plus.
And how did the idea of Domo Safety came up?
I did experience that for a couple of years, and facing this caretaker coming to my place, I could see really a plus in providing them with a simple tool that could really help them in their daily work, and also as a family member to have not only constant monitoring, because I don't think that's what we want and that's what the elderly person wants, but identify where is it really a risk, and this is where I want to know that the preventive measures has to take place.
In the future, will you develop other programs for other solutions, or will you develop this program specially?
So we will focus on this system at the moment, but the goal, I think, is to really develop an horizontal platform where different bodies could have access, and then we could plug in other monitoring system, more vital signs, to be able to help also the caretaker or the doctor to monitor the person.